Hello to all my viewers. Today, the word is collaboration. If you have anything to do with education, this is something that you've been hearing for a very long time now. It is very popular at this point in time. The concept of collaboration. Getting our students to talk to each other, express ideas, and to really take into account what other people think. So with this, the tool that we're going to be looking at today is called Padlet. Padlet is a wonderful tool for helping learners to collaborate. We always run into these issues of we have certain students who have wonderful ideas, but the problem is they don't feel comfortable voicing those ideas in class. So, here's what Padlet does. Padlet is an online system that is free, or you can sign up for some other functions, but initially it is free. And if you have watched any of my previous segments, you will know that I'm a big fan of anything that uses a Google login. This day and time, we've got passwords upon passwords upon passwords. Even our passwords have passwords. So, anytime we can limit the number of passwords, I am a big fan of it. So, if we click login, you will see that it gives you the option again, yes, to log in with Google. And you simply select your account. Very simple. Not a whole lot that you have to create. Now, what I want you to see here, these are some of the Padlets that I have joined in the past. And we'll look at, let's look at this one. As you can see, these work well with warm-ups or exit tickets or just simply a question during class. A lot of times we also run into the problem of just not having time in class. This puts more responsibility on the students to complete after class as a homework assignment or something along those lines. Now, as you can see, it's not just posting a statement. You can also post pictures. So, if we were to look at actually starting one, it is very simple. Look, it says make a Padlet. It's that simple. You click make a Padlet and it gives you multiple options for outlines. Now, what I want you to look at here, this would give your class the opportunity basically to make a concept map. It is a scatter, group, and connect content in any way. So you can have students generating ideas and then connect them to make the concept map. Now, you can pick the layout of a brick where it's got, they all post in as bricks to a building. You can have the stream one where it posts them in just like a stream for Google Classroom or for Facebook. The grid, the shelf, or here is a very special one called the back channel. The back channel lets you creates the Padlet to basically act as a communication tool where you can comment and reply just as if it was an SMS text program. So, whichever one best fits your needs. One of my favorites is simply the grid. And again, you can pick whatever wallpaper you want. You see there are several already here. Camo, bricks, a little less conversation. Click more, and there's a whole lot more. Okay? So, I'm going to click the blueprint. I find that one to be interesting. Alright. Just click modify and click next. Do I want it to be a private one, a password protected, a secret, or a public one? Alright, if I'm doing this for my class, essentially I want it to be secret. Those with access can write. Alright. Now, we click next. Now, if we want to share this, we want to share and export. We're going to copy the link. And then now you can post that link into your Google Classroom, your Blackboard, your Moodle, your Canvas, whatever your learning management system is. If you do not use a learning management system, then you can also write it on the board or email it to your students. Either way. If you use a class website, you can also embed your Padlet. So the concept here is you can get it to your students in any way, shape, form, or fashion. It is completely tailorable in that aspect. Now, the next issue that I want you to look at is data. If we go back to, say, this one, what I want you to look at here, these are some colleagues of mine, and yes, they have posted based off of the question that was posed to them for this Padlet. What I want you to understand here is the fact that now this becomes data. These are things that as a teacher you could work on. If these were your students, you could work on them with. If you use this as an exit ticket, simply what problems did you have or what issues did you have, they can post this here. So they do not have to speak out in class. You still find out what they're having problems with, and you can still help them one-on-one. So this helps to create a very personalized, tailored lesson plan without eating up a lot of class time and without really you having to guess at what's causing the problem. So I hope this segment has been extremely beneficial for you, and I hope to see you using Padlet in the future. Thank you.